This pill is 3x stronger than finasteride, but most men have never heard of it. Let's fix that. Dutasteride is a game changer in the world of hair loss treatments. While finasteride has been the go-to for many years, Dutasteride offers a more potent solution. Imagine a pill that not only stops hair loss but also promotes regrowth at a much faster rate. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Hair loss isn't just vanity, it's frustration, wasted money, and feeling like you're losing control. Every day you see more hair in the sink on your pillow and it feels like there's nothing you can do about it. The emotional toll is real and it affects your confidence and self-esteem. But science has a fix. Dutasteride nukes DHT, the hormone killing your hair. DHT, or dihydrotestosterone, is the main culprit behind male pattern baldness. It shrinks hair follicles, making it impossible for healthy hair to survive. Dutasteride targets this hormone more effectively than finasteride. While finasteride blocks 70% of DHT, Dutasteride zaps 90% plus. This means more hair preservation and more regrowth. Imagine the difference that extra 20% can make over time. It's like having a stronger defense system for your hair. It's the ultimate follicle bodyguard. Think of it as a superhero for your scalp, tirelessly working to protect and rejuvenate your hair follicles. Off-label but widely used since 2008. Real results don't lie. Despite not being FDA approved specifically for hair loss, many have turned to Dutasteride for its powerful effects. The evidence is in the countless success stories and growing popularity. 18% more hair in 6 months. JAD Study, 2023. Studies have shown significant improvements in hair density and thickness, making it a compelling option for those struggling with hair loss. 90% of men saw results. Reddit surveys. Online communities are buzzing with positive feedback. Men who had lost hope with other treatments are finding new confidence with Dutasteride. But here's the catch. Like any medication, it's not without its risks. 1 to 2% risk of side effects, like finasteride. These can include sexual side effects, mood changes, and other health concerns. It's crucial to weigh the benefits against the potential risks. Not FDA approved for hair loss. This means it's prescribed off-label, and you should have a thorough discussion with your healthcare provider before starting it. And ladies, this one's not for you. Dutasteride is not recommended for women, especially those who are pregnant or may become pregnant, due to potential risks to a developing fetus. Always consult a dermatologist first. 0.5 milligrams daily is the typical dose, but your doctor will tailor it to your specific needs. Pair with minoxidil for the big 3 power move. Combining Dutasteride with minoxidil and a ketoconazole shampoo can maximize your results, attacking hair loss from multiple angles. Snap monthly scalp selfies to track progress. Documenting your journey can help you see the subtle changes and keep you motivated. Pro tip: derma rolling boosts results. This technique can enhance the absorption of topical treatments and stimulate hair growth. Microneedling tutorial linked below. Meet Alex. Finasteride failed him. 6 months on Dutasteride, his results were astonishing. His barber thought he got a transplant. The transformation was so impressive that even his barber was convinced he had undergone a hair transplant. If you're ready to fight hair loss, smash that like button. Comment Dutasteride below. Your engagement helps us bring more valuable content to you. And subscribe for more life-changing tips. Stay tuned for more insights and updates on the best hair loss solutions available.